يتكون زمن المضارع المستمر من في حالة المفرد I زائد am زائد verb زائد ing مع الفاعل المفرد he she it زائد is زائد verb زائد ing. في حالة الجمع مع الفاعل الجمعي مثل you we the زائد our زائد verb زائد ing. الكلمات الدالة على زمن المضارع المستمر مثل
now, at the moment, at present, today, tonight, this morning, this week. Attention! There are several spelling rules while adding ing. Do, doing, play, playing, study, studying. For verbs ending in e, drop the e and add ing. Make, making, take, taking, write, writing. For one-syllable verbs ending in a consonant plus vowel a, e, I, o, u plus consonant. Double the final consonant and add ing. Sit, sitting, run, running, plan, planning. For verbs ending in ie, change the ie to y and add ing. Tie, tying, die, dying, lie, lying. For verbs ending in c, add k before adding ing. Picnic, picnicking, panic, panicking, mimic, mimicking. Mr. Salama is teaching us math now. Wisam and Weil are playing football at the moment. Khalid is building a robot at present. Miriam and Bushra are playing basketball now. I Am drinking a glass of water. Now. My mother is making a pizza at the moment. Negative. I am not. Plus verb plus I. N. G. He. She. It. Is not plus verb plus I. N. G. Negative. You. We. They. Are not. Plus. Verb. Plus. I. N. G. Tarek is not studying English. They are not playing football. Alia is not riding a bike. Alia and I are not playing football. My mother is not making a pizza. We are not baking a cake. How to ask a question. Am I plus verb plus I N G is he, she, it plus verb plus I N G. How to ask a question. Are you, we, they plus verb plus I N G. Are you studying English? No, I am not. Am I eating pizza? Yes, you are. Is Al-Yazan making pizza? No, he isn't. Are Al-Yazan and Motaz riding a bike? Yes, they are. One. She. A book right now, reads. Is reading. Read. Two. They. Soccer in the park at the moment. Play. Is playing. Are playing. 3. He. TV in the living room, watches. Is watching. Watch. 4. We. Lunch at the restaurant. Has. Is having. Are having. 5. I. To music on my phone. Listen. Is listening. Am listening. 6. She. To her friend on the phone. Talks. Is talking. Am talking. 7. He. In the pool. Is swimming. Are swimming. Was swimming. 8. We. A sandcastle at the beach right now. Build. Builds. Are building. 9. My family. Coffee at home. Drink. Is drinking. Are drinking.